Hello everyone, welcome to our monthly learning series. Here we are continuing with the series based upon Gallup's Q12, which actually defines the chemistry between line manager and employee. And as we are into month of March, here I am with question number 3, and that is, at work, do I have the opportunity to do best what I do best every day? Let me begin with a question for all of you. Do you have the opportunity to do what you do best every day at work? I'm sure your responses would mirror the research of Gallup, and it says 7 out of 10, yes, whooping 70% of the people believe that they do not have the opportunity to do best every day. Wow, what an unleveraged potential within the organizations. The research also says that people who have the opportunity to use and develop their own strength are 6 times more engaged than their counterparts. So guys, where the buck stops? Yes, it stops with line managers. The most powerful benefit a manager can provide to employees to place them in a role that allows them to apply the best of natural selves, their talent, their skills, their knowledge, their abilities on daily basis. Interestingly, outstanding performance is a result of the individual knowing what he or she does best and having an opportunity to do it every day. Moreover, the great managers routinely recognize their performance, align to their best of talent, and making the continual adjustment within the team so that every team member are at their peak of performance and work for the greater good for the ecosystem. So, can it be a one-time activity for the managers? No. It's an everyday routine task for them. So now the question is how to be better at that. How to explore that route to improve their quotient with the team member. And Gallup has suggested 3-phase approach to this. And the first one is, as a manager, you need to ask some questions to yourselves. Second, as a manager, you need to ask certain questions to your team members. And last but not the least, refer the set of best practices which will allow them to be on the top of the game. So let's begin with the first. As a manager, you are supposed to ask these 4 critical questions to your team member very frequently. The first one is, do I know what my employees enjoy most about his or her work on daily basis? Second, are there things which are keeping or distracting to be from their best which they can be? The third, have I aligned the best version of them to the work which they are doing? And last but not the least, what I can do as a manager to make it more convenient, more easier, so that they can do which they are good at on daily basis at workplace. Let's move towards the second phase of this approach, and that is asking questions to your team members, maybe at a frequency of every quarter. It's a set of 7 questions. Let's begin with the first one. What do you enjoy the most about the work which you do every day? Second, what aspect of the work do you do really well? The third, what do you look forward to working on daily basis here? Fourth, are there things which keeping or distracting you to be the most productive of yourself? Fifth, are there things or part of the role which you really find it difficult to achieve? Sixth, how I can make things easier for you. And seventh, how you can use the strength of other team members so that we as a team can complement if you need some support and ultimately help you to achieve your vision and dreams. Let me now shift towards the approach number 3, and that is having a references of best practices. It's a framework of 4 mini aspects, and that is the first one is about learn about skills and talents of your team members. The great managers should be able to have a detailed description about their team members. For example, what motivates them, in which things they are good at, how they think, feel and act, and including how they make relationship with others in the team. The second, reaffirms their strength. Continually explore what they are good at. Keep finding those small pockets of excellence so that you can fine tune while distributing and having the team profiling. The third, set them for success. Redistribute the work in a manner which aligns to what they do best every day, having that opportunity for them. It also reminds me of my previous line managers who used to quote this, that my job as a line manager is very simple, to ensure that my team members are successful at workplace. And fourth framework is about whenever you as a line manager see your employees having those achievements and success using their natural talents, make it a big agenda, make it a success story and reaffirm so that they can continually able to build upon themselves and ultimately create the value for you as a team and an organization. So, as a way forward, continually explore these 3 approaches suggested by Gallup in your journey of become a great manager. And here is wishing you all the best. Would see you in the next monthly White. Till then, stay safe, take care and happy learning.